Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And today I got this Keymark here. I think I got this from Noctis Modus. No keys. Actually doesn't have a clip on the back, so we'll have to be careful if we get it picked to operating. But I have picked this a few times, a couple times to operating, but more so to control. So yeah, if we get it picked to operating, I'll not fully gut it, but I'll take the core out and we'll get to see the bidding at least, or we'll get to see the pins, the key pins at least. If we get it to control, I won't be gutting it. But yeah, I think these things. I could talk a lot about these. I could talk a lot about any locks, but I think these things are highly dependent on bidding whether or not you can get them picked or not. Because at least for me, I'm going to pick this right from the ledge here, and you can see the pins are almost rested on that ledge. So any low cuts and we're going to be oversetting right away from that ledge. So yeah, that doesn't leave a lot of room for cuts, but I'm guessing it's probably the same cut specs as a regular best would. But yeah, getting around this corner here, at least on this one, I don't think it's possible. As you can see here, this little tiny piece of warding pokes our pick off in the right direction, and this here piece of warding is going to block access to the keyway from here, even with 15 thousandths, I believe. So yeah, I'm going to go from ledge, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, I really like these locks. I wish I had a Keymark with keys. I have a lock that I know would be awesome to have. Actually, I could use even just a regular best with the nickel finish. Actually, for this lock here, I'd love to get a best with this finish for this lock. This is not a best brand core, and it's a best lock, as you can see. It's a shrouded shackle lock. Anyways, back on to the Keymark. Main thing about clamping these up, you don't want to pinch that control lug because you'll never get it picked. It just screws up all your feedback. At least it does on I've learned that on a Corbin Russwin LFIC. So anyway, let's see what we can do with this thing. Already at 3 minutes and I didn't even stick the pick in. So hard to get under 6. Still hard to get under 6, so it's oh, little turn on the cord. It's hard to tell where you are in this lock, I find. Most other locks I know exactly what pin the pick is under, but this one here I can't tell if I'm like all the way at the back of the lock. Yeah, it's hard to tell. Yeah. Oops. Let me re-clamp that up. Let's try this again. Hardest part's getting under this last pin. Really find kind of rough picking on this seems to get me further. And I got to loosen up quite a bit to get under that last pin. At least, I think so. Anyway, it seems like I'm awfully far back there. Oh, there it is. So it was that last pin, and that's, as you can see, that's, maybe you can even see the actuator there. Locked up again. Let's see if I can do that real quick. Yeah. So, I don't think the bitting's too great on this one. Maybe I'll visit this lock again in the future and see if I can completely gut it, because I don't have a key anyway. Yeah, I can just about do anything with it, and it really wouldn't matter, because I mean, Keymark SFIC, pretty hard to find keys for. So it doesn't have much of use to me. I guess I could keep pins in it and keep picking it, but I don't know. Might explore this sometime in the future. Anyway, gonna call it on that. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, any comments at all, please put them below. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. I think I'm gonna do this BKS next. Really another cool lock. Alright guys, take care. We'll see you next time.